Okay, y'all, so we're at the Cityplace Heights pool area. So this is a rather large area, and I'm gonna walk you through it just so you can see it. So on the left over here, there's a covered area with a table, and you can enjoy kind of a more private party. But then let's see this area. This is very large. I like how large it is, and as you can see, all the residences overlook this. And so you've got a great area that's all private that you can enjoy. So let's walk around the pool a little bit more and check it out. So the inside of the pool looks like, okay, it's 4 feet. And by the way, this is off season. So you'll see a few leaves and stuff. That's just normal. It's off season. It's not getting a lot of use right now. But look how just nice this is. This is very big. It's 4 feet, and then it also has these areas where you can just kind of 6 inches areas where you can just rest and enjoy. And it's got that not only here, but then it's got that all around too. So beautiful. Gosh, that's a lot of space to really relax without having to totally submerge into the pool. Notice too, there's some chairs that are in the pool too. It looks like about 10 or so chairs there. And so that's really nice. Okay, so we walk over here. We're seeing about about 5 chairs over here, and then 5 chairs over here too. And this is shaded, so there's trees up here. This is going to be shaded. I did want to point out too, there's a kind of a little private area. I don't know if that's heated. I may find that out later, but that's pretty cool to enjoy that. Over here, you've got some. Looks like a kind of a fire pit area, so this is great. And, oh, there's actually a timer. Do you see that? That's cool. So it's a fireplace timer, so that you can put it on there, enjoy, and then it'll go off in maybe an hour or so. So great area here. You've got a grill area that's over here, and I was just talking to the leasing staff, and they said this is a gas grill, so you don't need to do charcoal or anything like that. So that's always nice. And I love the amount of plants. This is very well kept. It's really pretty. So a lot of plants around. It feels just very delightful, and I like it's not overdone. It's just done right. I think it's a good fit here. So you've got more seats over here, folding chairs, and then you can see inside there are some amenities we'll check out in a minute. But this is a great feel. So just taking a look over here just at the pool overall. It's a really long pool. That's probably 70 or 80 feet. So you really could swim in this pool. This is not just a wading pool or a social pool. This is a swimming pool. You really could swim the distance there. So that's really nice. Very pretty pool. I'm impressed. Let's go see some more amenities.